Please be sure when you're using your pre-filled pods or any airbrush makeup for that matter, that you are storing it at room temperature. Not too cold, not too hot. We don't want it to affect the consistency of the makeup. If you're noticing that the spray pattern coming out of your pre-filled pod potentially has some specks going one direction or another, like maybe spitting a little heavier to one side over the other, you could potentially have a bent needle. They're very hard to see with the naked eye. So what I like to do is I'll take the tip of my pinky nail, very gently combing up along the edge of the needle as I spin the pod. If my nail catches at the end of the needle, that's a great indicator that I have a bent needle. I will need to replace the pod if that happens. So in order to prevent that from happening, you do want to store your pods in an organizer that separates them, or if you're using let's say a drawer, a makeup bag, anything like that, you want to make sure that you're storing them with the cap on. That way you're protecting all of these parts from coming in contact with the needle. We recommend for storage that your pre-filled pods are stored laying down, whether it's on their back, their side, or their belly, or needle end up in an organizer like this, which is the TEMPTU Pro Organizer, or any bag or container that will hold them upright. When using the pre-filled AirPods, you'll very easily be able to attach them to your TEMPTU Air, click and go. The one thing you need to remember is to unplug the pod before you attach it to the TEMPTU Air before you spray and apply the makeup. And be sure when you're done applying the makeup and you go into storage, you re-plug the pod for storage.